Hello and welcome back to Millennial Finance. I'm your main host, Billy Chen, and in today's video, you're going to explore a topic a lot of you have been asking about. How much money should you have saved by a certain age? In this video, we will cover how much you should have saved by the time you turn 30. Many of you listening spent your 20s focused on finishing college and entering the working world for the first time in an entry-level job. While you might not have saved a lot of money in your 20s due to a lower starting salary and expenses such as rent that you may have been paying for the first time in your life, the money you save in your 20s will set you up for success later on in life thanks to compound interest and growth over time. Before we get to that number, just remember this is not a hard and fast rule, and this guidance is not one size fits all. Various factors, such as current income levels, current expenses, and loans, may mean that your savings amount is higher or lower. And don't worry, at the age of 30, there's still plenty of time to catch up, so don't be discouraged if your savings and retirement accounts do not exactly look like this. So, how much should you have saved by the time you are 30? According to a recent study by Fidelity Investments, they recommend having saved 1 times your salary. This means if you're making $50,000 a year, you should have $50,000 saved in your retirement and savings accounts combined. If you're making $100,000 a year, you should have $100,000 saved. This may seem like a lot for such a young age, but the early bird gets the worm when it comes to saving for retirement. The sooner you start saving, the more time you have to take advantage of compound interest and letting your money work for you. That's all for today's quick video. Join us again for more financial tips and tricks for millennials by millennials.